Hey guys, welcome back to Cuisine. This is one of my personal favorite when it comes to appetizer. Hot crunchy potatoes topped with creamy sauce. Simple, yet it's so delicious, rich and lip smacking. If you have tried this earlier, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't tried this yet, hold on till the end as I'm gonna show you my take on this delicious Cajun spiced potato. Let's start with making the dip first. For this, in a bowl, add around 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next, add some ketchup. Add lemon juice for that slight tangy flavor and chopped onions for that beautiful crunch. Season with salt, black pepper, and red chili powder for that kick. Next up, add dried mixed herbs. This is a mix of oregano, thyme, rosemary, and basil. Crush it lightly on your palm before you add to the dip. Mix it well. Trust me guys, this gives a nice punch to the dip. Add little water if you feel the consistency is too thick. This is definitely a balance of that tangy, sweet and spicy dip infused with aroma of dried herbs. The dip looks ready, let's keep it aside. It's time to prep the baby potatoes. Well, as you can see, I have already boiled the baby potatoes with the skin on, but ensure you clean it very well to get rid of any dirt. Now once the potatoes cool down, apply a little pressure and press the potatoes. Ensure you do not do it very hard else the potatoes would break down. Arrange them neatly and season with salt and chili powder. Once that's done, add corn flour to give a nice crunch and mix it gently. Take a pan, add oil. When hot, shallow fry the baby potatoes over medium heat. After 5-10 minutes, flip to the other side and let it cook until it gets crispy and golden brown from both the sides. As you can see, this got the perfect crisp outside. Let's take them out in a different plate. While it's still hot, I'm just adding a pinch of salt. Mix it well, and now it's time to plate them. Place the potatoes and then pour the creamy sauce on top. Be quite generous while adding the sauce on top. You can add coriander leaves at this point, but I like to add thin strips of green chilies for that zing, and this really pops out well. Looks very appealing, isn't it? It feels really great when you can play around and plate your dish. This starter is one of the most satisfying dishes that I've ever eaten. Crunchy potatoes drizzled with a creamy mayonnaise dressing. Trust me, you need to give them a try at home and you'll love it. Super easy and quick to make. The starter will definitely take care of many parties and get-togethers at home. Once you make this, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to receive notifications. Keep watching Cuisine for more such amazing recipes, and I'll be back with my next video very soon. Until then, bye-bye.